say we made it to El Nido and it's stunning. So nice. But after the last like what 4 or 5 days just like constantly moving, we need to chill out. And we're gonna go to Karong Beach, get some breakfast, get some coffee.
It's about time we just sat down for a second and enjoyed our surroundings.
Yeah, exactly. So we just rented this bike. It was supposed to be 500 pesos a day, but we got it down to 350 because we were paying for 2 days. I'm stuck. Oh, there you go. Coming to a place called Happiness for breakfast. Oh, you're very sick, you haven't exposed.
I have, what is this? The baba ganoush. Eggplant. And then I'm guessing this is feta.
Yeah.
I've got a salad. And I've also got tuna. And then you get 3 eggs, and I chose scrambled with vegetables. And you get 2 pizza as well. Which
This looks banging. Safely say we both enjoyed that.
That was just what we needed after travelling for so long. We really realised how addicted to coffee we are.
When we're staying in a hostel, it doesn't have a kettle in the room, and we haven't got any coffee sachets, and we wait until like 10 o'clock to have a coffee. We suffer, like properly suffer. So for both breakfast, for 2 coffees and 1 smoothie, that costs 1,020 pesos. Which is a lot more than our usual like hot noodle breakfast, but sometimes you just gotta eat some veggies. Oh my god, this place is stunning. So this is El Nido Beach. It's beautiful, there's not many people here either.
Don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe.
I thought this was a boat that was just like a little bit on the piss, but it is actually a shipwreck. Can you imagine if that was your boat? You woke up in the morning and it was just like that.
It can't have been that long ago.
Australis 3. Oh wow, there's fish in there. Don't drop the GoPro, don't drop the GoPro. I'd love to know when it happened and how it happened. Like, how does this happen? Was it during the typhoon, I wonder? It's pretty rusted.
So cool. There's just a shipwreck here, like on the beach.
Just chilling.
What in the world?
What in the world?
I think it's about time we go for a dip because it is hot.
I think so far El Nido might be the most beautiful place we've ever been.
God, are you right? I think you are. Just swimming around, looking at the view, like we're not gonna be able to do this in a few days. This is crazy. We should enjoy it.
Oh, don't. We'll be in Singapore, we can still go to the beach.
Not like this. Look at this.
We can go to
Singapore's
Sentosa.
beaches are man-made. They're nice, but they're not this nice. Look at it, 360. Really look around. It's just like, whoa. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
It's crazy.
It is crazy.
It feels beyond, it's out of control, oh, baby, I love the ride.
There's a load of local kids up here. Just, I think they're fishing off the shipwreck. So I'm gonna go see what they're up to. Are you fishing? Have you caught anything? Oh wow, they're quite big. Oh, look at that. Nice, that was quick. What do you use to bait them?
Look at this.
You just use the meat inside? And it works that easy? So you don't eat them? You don't eat them? Huh? Oh, you give them to dog? Oh, nice. He just like does it every time. He just throws it in, gets another fish. And do you know why they're doing it?
Why?
To feed dogs.
What?
Yeah, to feed dogs.
Wow. What? That's so cool. Every time.
Let's see how many fish these guys caught. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Got 13 fish. Just with these little bits of string.
These kids were collecting clams and smashing them open with their hands. They then took the meat and put it on a hook, which they had attached to a fishing line. Their system had me and Jake seriously impressed. Soon we realised that this wasn't just their fishing boat, but it was also their playground too.
Love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay.
See ya. That was fun. He also said that did get shipwrecked in the typhoon in December. The wind just blew it in and it's just been there ever since.
No way.
Yeah.
They really should like incorporate it and make it like an Instagram spot because it's pretty cool. Imagine if they like put some cool graffiti all over it that said like Palawan, El Nido, and had like a map of Palawan.
That'd be pretty sick, wouldn't it?
Yeah, like if you're an artist and I don't know, that's legal here, come and do it.
Yeah.
It's like people probably love that.
Yeah, I reckon. God, this place, man. It's just like every time we look up, it's just like, what? Where am I? Waiting on a boat trip.
Postcard.
Like walking for a postcard. It is. It actually is. Okay, that was El Nido Beach. I think we're gonna go back to the hostel now and chill out for a while.
Get some work done.
Get some work done.
So if you like that video, don't forget to subscribe because we're going to be making a lot more content like this whilst we're here in El Nido. See you tomorrow.
Peace.